Hey guys. So I know you have seen the new changes that will happen 1st July 2025 in Kenya, where KRA will be using a new CRSP for vehicles. So this is just a short video to show you how to actually use that that Excel file that you'll find. So to get the Excel, you go to KRA. You just go to KRA and search KRA's new CRSP. Just click the first link. It will load. Then you will just click this one, updated CRSP, this one here. Then it will start downloading automatically. All right. So once you get the CRSP, so this is how you use it. So it will be a sheet like this that you will use to identify the car and the taxes that you want. So let's say I want to get the taxes for Artion. So I can just go to the sheet and search Artion, click enter. There is Artion shooting brake. What if I want Artion for motion airline, which is the most common one that I see people are importing in Kenya. So you'll just find it. Just go. It's 4WD, 2000cc sedan, gasoline, which means petrol, and the CRSP is 4,532,601. So I'll just copy it. You need to copy it. Then you go to the template 2025. So here it tells you how the depreciation percentage for each year. So let's say it's a 2018 vehicle. So the depreciation will be 65%. So you will use this one here. So let me just explain the first one. So the first one is for engines not exceeding 1500cc. So like the Pro boxes, the fielders that usually have 1500cc and below, you'll use here. For 2000cc and above, you'll use here. For 3000cc and above and 2500cc for diesel, you'll use this here. So you just come here. So since it's a 2000cc vehicle, you'll come here, paste that, then add the depreciation at 65%. I've already added mine. So you'll get your tax total will be 649,962. So that's the tax that you'll pay for importing an Artion from the new CRSP. So let's say I want to look for another one. Let's say Tiguan. Enter. I'll get Tiguan TDI outline. So I'll just go to see, this is the two-wheel drive wagon diesel. The tax is 4.4. The CRSP is 4.4 million. So let's say I want another one. Let's go. This is Tiguan from R line. Let's say I want the baseline, which is really the comfort line or the high line. So if I go to the comfort line, which I know most people will be importing, which the tax is very low, it will be, the CRSP will be 2.5 million. So if I'll just copy this, and since it's the 2000cc, I'll go back here where it's above exceeding 1500cc and paste here. So I'll get the tax for the new, for Tiguan will be 372k. So that's how you can actually use this CRSP to get the model you want. Let's say for Toyota, maybe Fielder, or the last one, Fielder. So there's Fielder hybrid, hybrid XG, Fielder hybrid WX. Let's see the hybrid G. This is the one I usually see in the market. So it's CVT 2WD 1496cc, and the CRSP is 39. So I'll just copy that, go to the template, and go to, since it's not exceeding 1500cc, I'll use this one, and I'll just paste here. I've already added 65% depreciation, and the tax will be 545,000. Let's say if it's a Fielder for 2019, the depreciation will be 6 to 7 years, so it will be 60%. So the price for a 2019 Fielder, the tax will be 623k. So that's how the new taxes will be. If you have any questions about this, just add comments, and make another video regarding the questions that you'll have. So please subscribe so that you won't miss the next video. Awesome, thanks.